Hello everyone. If you feel too skinny, weak, or you struggle to gain weight no matter how much you eat, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll share 6 simple tips that can help you gain weight faster, increase your appetite, and build a stronger body. Let's get started. Tip 1. Eat more carbohydrates. The first step to gaining weight is increasing carbohydrates in your diet. If you mostly eat fatty foods, the weight you gain is usually just extra body fat. But carbohydrates provide energy and healthy weight gain. Some good high-carbohydrate foods include whole wheat bread or flatbread, rice, potatoes, oats, and other grains. Adding these foods regularly to your meals can help your body gain weight faster and stay energized. Tip 2. Increase your appetite. Many people cannot gain weight simply because they don't feel hungry enough. A simple trick is to eat fruits in the morning. You can eat fresh fruits or drink natural fruit juice. Fruits can help support digestion and improve appetite. When your appetite increases, you naturally eat more food, which helps your body gain weight more easily. Tip 3. Improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Another important factor is how well your body absorbs nutrients. When you eat food, your body must digest and absorb the nutrients before they can help you gain weight. To support digestion, include fiber-rich foods such as chickpeas, whole grains, beans. Fiber helps your digestive system work properly so your body can absorb nutrients better. Try to limit fried and very oily foods because they can slow digestion. You should also eat vitamin C-rich foods such as lemon, oranges, spinach. A helpful daily habit is drinking a glass of warm water with lemon in the morning, which can support digestion over time. When your body absorbs nutrients better, your weight will naturally start increasing. Tip 4. Eat more frequently. A common mistake people make is eating one very large meal. Instead, try eating smaller meals several times a day. Aim for 4 to 5 meals daily, with about 3 to 4 hours between meals. This helps your body digest food better and use nutrients more efficiently, which supports steady weight gain. Tip 5. Try this simple weight gain drink. Here's an easy recipe that can help. Take 1 glass of milk and add 2 bananas, a small amount of butter. Blend everything together. This drink provides protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, which can help support faster weight gain. You can drink it about 2 hours after having fruits in the morning. Tip 6. Avoid too much fast food. Fast food may increase weight quickly, but it mostly adds unhealthy body fat. Instead, focus on nutritious home-cooked meals, such as homemade bread or flatbread, rice, balanced meals at home. Adding a small amount of ghee or healthy fats can also increase calories in a healthier way. Try these tips consistently and see how your body responds. If you found this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.